Hi, fellow viewers to everybody. Good evening. My name is Steve. My full and complete name is Steve Ho Ong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, you can see this in Google Play Store or Apple Store, the YouTube. That's the only website that I place in this uploading videos. By the way, a lot of you are wondering, alam ko nag-observe kayo sa video ko yung meron akong in-upload video yung sa just in case, no? Just in case. Mag-reopen ang Bangko Pilipino for the third time. Ang na-mention ko is Metro Manila will be complete. Okay. Alam ko, nagtataka kayo bakit may isang city na hindi ko na-mention. Alam ko nasa isip ninyo. By the way, the answer is Pasay City. Yes, Pasay City. By the way, if you repeat and repeat watching videos for so many times, wala ko na mention Pasay kahapon, yung Huwebes. December 19, 2024. Today, this evening, I will mention already Pasay City. By the way, based on my historical records, walang Pasay City that time. Yes, walang Pasay City that time. Meron Parañaque. Pero ang good news is kay Pasay Parañaque, magkadikit, madali yan. So, gaya ng sinabi ko, kung just in case reopening ang Bangko Pilipino for the third time, kasama ang Pasay City. Remember, the title is kukumpletohin natin ang Metro Manila kasama ang Pateros. So, ang lalabas sa title is Pasay City is included. Pasay City branches. Hindi lang isa, marami in Metro Manila. By the way, kung just in case may magtanong sa akin, anong Pasay City part na possible malalagyan? Ito ang sagot ko. Una is Rojas Boulevard, yung harap, yung 'di ba sa highway, 'di ba harap ng dagat. Ang good news is sa Pasay City, hindi siya rental. Tutol ako sa rental kasi lalaki ang operating ko. Uupa sila doon, tataas ang upa per month. So mabigat, no? Tataas ang operating expense. So I was thinking Rojas Boulevard pero building on. Si bibili pa tayo ng property. Property on siya on that bank. Because my target is or goal kung ma-reopen kasama ang Pasay City. Rojas Boulevard, President Diosdado Macapagal Boulevard, sakop din ng Pasay. EDSA Tramo, yes. EDSA Tramo kasama. Libertad, yes. Yung umiikot, I think EDSA Rotonda, counted siya. Yes. FB Harrison, yes. Basta sakop ng Pasay City. By the way, I'd like to apologize to all viewers kung hindi ko na-mention ang Pasay City. May na-mention ako, munti ko na hindi na-mention ang Marikina, pero na-mention ko siya, yung Huwebes. Ang hindi ko na-mention, Pasay City. So, yan. Kasi, inulit-ulit ko yung video. Saka ko, bakit walang Pasay City? Because Pasay is the oldest city in Metro Manila. Diba? Una is Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan City. Ito, pinaka-importante, Pasay City. So, yun. By the way, kung Pasay City, kung just in case tatanungin niyo ako, because I was born in Manila, Pasay is under Southern Manila. By the way, ang aking Metro Manila branches may para siyang compass. North, South, West, East. Okay. By the way, kung Northern Manila, yan yung Kamanaba. Caloocan, Malabon, Navotas, Valenzuela. Yan, Kamanaba. Ang southern part of Manila is, ito importante, Makati, Parañaque, Las Piñas, Parañaque, Pasay, Taguig. O, yan. Pag Western Manila ay Quezon City and Manila. Ang Eastern is, whether they like it or not, Pasig, Mandaluyong, Marikina. Yung dating main office yung Makati, it will be fall on Southern. So, yun. Southern Manila siya. South. Ang Eastern is, yun na, ang kuan. By the way, of all districts sa Metro Manila, ang hindi ko na-mention yata, I think Makati, first and second district, meron branches doon. In every district. Pasig is 2 districts, meron din yan. By the way, kasama ang Ortigas, na I think na-mention ko yata, ang kuan, included siya. Kasi may potential yung lugar na yan kaya hindi pwedeng kuan nila i-discriminate ng ganan-ganan lang. So, yan. Walang problema. Manila, na-mention ko, 6 district, all 6 districts. So, wala, kompleto yan. Kaya walang problema. Kasi kuan yan Greater Manila area yan So, walang problema. By the way, I was thinking also, yung Antipolo tsaka Cainta, kasi open clearing na tayo. I think you know na already sa mga checking clearing. Hindi na siya out of town. So, under siya sa Pasig. So, that's it. So, thank you so much for listening in this video. You can click subscribe and click the notification bell for my next Bangko Filipino related videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good evening.